Historic charm meets vibrant energy in Tuscaloosa, where riverfront views, college town spirit, and southern culture collide. Explore iconic landmarks, lively sports scenes, and scenic escapes, all packed into one unforgettable destination. Explore Tuscaloosa's top 10 must-see spots. From iconic landmarks to unique experiences, enjoy a perfect blend of history, culture, and adventure. Your ultimate guide to this unforgettable destination. Starting with number 1, Bryant-Denny Stadium. Bryant-Denny Stadium stands as the heart of Tuscaloosa's sports culture and the pride of Alabama football. With a capacity exceeding 100,000, it's one of the largest college football stadiums in the country. Home to the legendary Crimson Tide, it roars with excitement on game days, drawing fans from across the nation. Visitors experience Southern tradition, tailgating, and pure athletic energy. Even when empty, tours of the stadium reveal its rich legacy and historical milestones. From championship banners to the Walk of Champions, this stadium offers a must-see journey into the passion of Alabama football. Moving on to number 2, University of Alabama. The University of Alabama shapes much of Tuscaloosa's history and spirit. With historic architecture, museums, and tree-lined walkways, the campus is ideal for visitors. Landmarks like Denny Chimes and Gorbis Library draw attention for both beauty and legacy. It's more than an academic center, it's a cultural and athletic powerhouse. Events, sports, and art exhibitions make it lively year-round. Walking the grounds reveals deep-rooted traditions and campus charm. Whether you're attending a game or exploring the grounds, it offers a true taste of Tuscaloosa pride. It's a centerpiece of the city's culture and energy. Number 3, Paul W. Bryant Museum. The Paul W. Bryant Museum in Tuscaloosa celebrates the legacy of legendary Alabama football coach Bear Bryant and the rich history of the Crimson Tide. Located on the University of Alabama campus, it features historic photographs, championship memorabilia, interactive exhibits, and rare artifacts that showcase decades of football glory. Visitors can explore Bryant's impact on the sport, relive iconic moments, and experience the deep tradition that defines Alabama football. Number 4, Tuscaloosa Farmers Market. Tuscaloosa Farmers Market brings together local flavor and friendly community. Located near the Black Warrior River, it features fresh produce, handmade goods, and baked treats. Live music and seasonal events make weekends vibrant and memorable. From fresh fruits to home decor, it offers a charming shopping experience. Locals gather to support farmers while tourists enjoy the festive atmosphere. The riverside setting enhances the appeal with open skies and casual beauty. It's not just a market, it's a community tradition. Number 5 in our list, Children's Hands-On Museum. The Children's Hands-On Museum in Tuscaloosa offers fun, interactive learning experiences for kids of all ages. With themed exhibits like a space shuttle, medical clinic, and mini grocery store, children can role-play and explore while learning. Seasonal workshops and rotating activities keep things fresh and exciting. Located downtown, the museum is colorful, safe, and well-maintained, making it a favorite among parents. Number 6, Lake Lurleen State Park. Lake Lurleen State Park offers a peaceful escape with outdoor recreation close to Tuscaloosa. Centered around a 250-acre lake, it invites visitors for swimming, kayaking, hiking, and picnics. The natural setting includes scenic trails, shaded campsites, and rental cabins. Families and solo travelers alike find serenity in its wooded spaces. Despite being minutes from the city, it feels wonderfully remote and refreshing. The beach areas are perfect for sun and water play, while anglers enjoy great fishing. It's a local favorite for day trips and weekend getaways. Lake Lurleen gives a perfect nature break. Number 7, Tuscaloosa Riverwalk. Tuscaloosa Riverwalk is a tree-lined, paved trail beside the Black Warrior River. Locals and tourists use it daily for jogging, biking, or peaceful walks. Benches, playgrounds, and public art enhance its charm. The trail connects to major city areas and university sites. Sunset strolls offer great views and breezes. You'll often see families, students, and fitness enthusiasts enjoying the atmosphere. Parks and cafes nearby add convenience. Its layout blends nature and urban life perfectly. Whether you're exercising or unwinding, Riverwalk is an ideal outdoor choice. It's a relaxing way to enjoy Tuscaloosa's riverside beauty. Number 8. Coleman Coliseum. Coleman Coliseum is a go-to venue for sports, music, and student life. Located on the University of Alabama campus, it hosts basketball games, concerts, and events. Its seating for over 15,000 brings energy to every event. Visitors feel the college spirit throughout. It's a major spot for Crimson Tide fans and students. Whether it's a high-energy game or a national tour concert, the arena delivers. The interior features modern updates, good acoustics, and easy access. Its location makes it easy to visit before or after exploring campus. Number 9. Jemison-Van de Graaff Mansion. The Jemison-Van de Graaff Mansion is a well-preserved piece of Tuscaloosa's history and southern elegance. Built in the 1860s, its grand columns and interior details reflect antebellum charm. Visitors enjoy guided tours that share the stories behind the families who live there. Today, it hosts weddings, events, and historical programs. Located near downtown, it's easy to visit and perfect for history lovers. This mansion offers a personal glimpse into the cultural heritage of the city. Finally, number 10, Alabama Museum of Natural History. Alabama Museum of Natural History offers an exciting journey through Alabama's prehistoric past. Located in Smith Hall at the University of Alabama, it features fossils, gems, and artifacts spanning millions of years. Highlights include a massive mosasaur replica and Ice Age displays. The museum's elegant architecture enhances the experience. Popular with families and school groups, it blends science with storytelling. It's a fascinating stop for curious minds visiting Tuscaloosa. We hope you enjoyed this countdown of the best things to do in Tuscaloosa. Have a favorite spot or something to add? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on all our travel content. See you in the next adventure.